This morning I was able to give Team Hercules tire members a ride in my Can-Am X3.
Yeah, this thing's awesome. It was totally out of my element.
Today, Josh and I both had a first. We went for our first UTV ride. This landscape is a lot different than what you're used to up in Minnesota. And I'm actually from Arizona, but I've never been out on these trails out here. I'm generally on the water, just like you.
I'll tell you one thing, I got a lot more respect for what these guys do. To run 4 or 6 hours on that terrain at that speed, it's pretty impressive. Obviously a lot different than my sprint car.
These tires handled great in the mud, the rocks, the dirt. You know, they're really impressive today. Like, we got some good traction, some good shots.
Such a different deal. We go from the TerraTrack AT2s that we're driving around on, pulling our bass boat and those tires, to these. Look at those things, man.
And these MTs have a much more aggressive tread. They look completely different, but I mean, it just goes to show, man, Hercules has a tire for any condition, any road, any ground.